favorite.
So soft.
Oh, cue the hot dog. So.
Here. Yeah, that's one.
Here.
Squishy.
This one looks.
Cheese and Michaels.
Here, you want to
Get this one, Mila.
Get this one.
Get this one, Mila. These are so cool.
Mommy, they're right here. Look. Mila's a yellow.
Ginger man. My gosh.
So then you have to.
It's me, Mila, and today I'll be showing the haul. So let's get started. So first, I'll be showing you this line. I think I got it from Michael's, by the way. Next, I got this cake. There's a bigger version of this, which is an eye bloom. One is this macaroon, purple one. Next is this, I don't know. That's cute. It's a green person, yeah. And then I also got this from Michael's. I got this cupcake with sprinkles, also from Michael's. Then I got this cute pink macaroon. I got this rainbow packaging. Really soft. It smells not really that good. It's slow rising. I love it. This cookie, the squishy, and I don't know. I can't describe how it smells, but yeah, it feels like a real cookie, kind of.